here observing 3D cross-sections for all entities, and we get to this conditional check. If cross-section and cross-section visible in 3D, colon. We're encountering the AND operator here, and this is Python's logical connector that requires all conditions to be true before executing code blocks. This enables sophisticated decision-making with multiple criteria. Cross-section checks if the cross-section exists, so if it's not none, and requires both conditions to be true. Cross-section visible in 3D checks if the entity is visible in 3D space. The code only executes when both conditions are met. This creates a two-part safety check. It'll only process entities when this exists, when cross-section exists and the entity is visible in 3D space. And we're preventing errors this way while ensuring only relevant entities get processed. There's a logical AND truth table. You can see it on the screen. True and true equals true. Both conditions are met. Execute code. True and false equals false. Second condition fails, skip the code. False and true equals false. First condition fails, skip the code. And false equals false. Both conditions fail, skip the code. So if you've done any study of electrical engineering or anything, you know about logic gates and stuff, and this is not new information to you. But sometimes it can get easy to get confused when you're in the code, and it's important to at least be exposed to this. So if you're completely new, an idea for how to think about it is just like how laboratory safety requires both proper equipment and trained personnel. So you can't work on something that might be dangerous if you haven't both received the training and have the proper equipment. If you don't have all the criteria met, then you don't touch it at all. So the AND operator creates precise, multi-criteria conditional logic where sophisticated program decisions depend on multiple factors being satisfied simultaneously. And this prevents processing incomplete data while ensuring that only entities meeting all visibility requirements get displayed in your 4D manifestation analyses.